tomato season is in its peak, and the best way to use them is to make this creamy and delicious tomato soup. First, warm the butter and olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Stir in the diced onion and minced garlic. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes tender. Stir in the diced tomatoes and cook for about 5 minutes. Then pour in the water and let everything cook for about 10 minutes. Finally, season the soup with sugar, chili flakes, salt and pepper to taste, and dried oregano. With the help of a hand blender, puree everything into a smooth and creamy soup. Stir in the heavy cream and mix until everything is combined. Serve warm with a sprinkle of basil leaves. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media.